The initial ratio of sugar and flour in recipe was 17:28. With 27 kg of the recipe, Sunita added more flour to make the sugar to flour ratio 2:5. How much flour did Sunita later added? So first of all, we are given that the ratio of sugar and flour is 17:28. So the ratio of sugar is to flour is 17:28. With 27 kg of the recipe, so the total recipe is of 27 kg. Sunita added more flour. So first of all, we'll find out how much of sugar is there in this 27 kg and how much of flour is there in this 27 kg. So sugar is 17 parts out of the total 45 parts. So sugar is 17 part out of total 45 parts in this 27 kg. And for flour is 28 part out of this total 45 parts. So flour is 28 part out of total 45 parts in this 27 kg. So I divide this with 9. So 9 5s are 45, 9 3s are 27. 17 into 3 will give me 51 by 5. Here similarly, 9 5s are 45, 9 3s are 27. 28 into 3 will give me 84 divided by this 5. So that means I have 51 by 5 kg of sugar and 84 by 5 kg of flour. Sunita added more flour. Okay, so Sunita added more flour. So the amount of sugar remains the same. The amount of sugar remains the same, but we are adding flour here. So let's say X kg of flour is added. And now this ratio is given to me as 2:5. So this ratio is 2:5. So this ratio is same as this ratio. So I can write it as 51 by 5 upon, let's take LCM over here. So LCM will be 5. 84 plus this 5x. This thing is equals to 2 by 5. Here 5 will get eliminated. This 5 on the right hand side will go on the left hand side and get multiplied with 51. So 51 into 5 will give me 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25 is equals to this 84 plus 5x will go on the right hand side and get multiplied with this 2. So 84 into 2 will be 168 plus 5 into 2 10x. So I have 10x is equals to 255 minus 168 will give me 87. And I'll add a decimal point here to get rid of this 10. So I get the value of x, which is 8.7. Question is asking us how much flour did Sunita later added. Sunita added x amount of flour and the value of x here is 8.7. So that means this is our required answer here. Option C is the correct one.